Hello everyone, welcome to Bright's Food Corner. Mushroom and capsicum, that is an amazing combination for curries. In this video, I'm going to share you a very tasty capsicum curry with fried mushrooms in it. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe our channel to receive the notification for every new updates. Take a note of the ingredients and follow the recipe. Let's get started. This recipe doesn't need any extra effort for the vegetables to get chopped. To make the work easier, let's grind few ingredients. Into a mixer jar, add few garlic and ginger, 2 roughly chopped tomato and onion. For the exact measurement, please refer the description box below. Now grind these ingredients into a paste without adding water. The paste should be of this consistency. Now take the mushroom and place it on a wooden board. Make sure that you wash and clean the mushroom completely in running water before chopping. Slice down the mushrooms into thin slices. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil, and once the oil gets heated, add the mushrooms and toss it well. Toss the mushrooms continuously until it gets cooked. It takes only 3 to 4 minutes for the mushrooms to be cooked softly. Once it is done, keep it aside. Take the capsicum, roughly chop it down into medium small pieces and collect it in a bowl. Now heat a non-stick pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Now add the whole garam masala and 1 tablespoon of shahi jeera and saute it well. Add the chopped capsicum into it and saute it. Once when the capsicum gets cooked and turns soft, add the grounded paste into it and combine it well. It takes minimum 15 to 20 minutes to cook capsicum along with the gravy. Once when the flavors turns out and the oil starts separating, add the required salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, and 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper. Mix all the ingredients into the gravy to combine it well. Once everything gets combined and starts to boil, cover the pan with a lid and cook it well. After 5 to 10 minutes, once the gravy starts to get thickened, add the fried mushroom and cook it in a medium flame. Now make sure the salt in the curry is perfect and cook the curry until the oil gets separated. Garnish it with the chopped coriander leaf or spring onions. Transfer it to a bowl and serve it with rice, chapati, roti or naan. You can also try this recipe along with the coconut milk rice which I have already shared in this channel. Find the link in the description box or click on the I button at the right corner. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment box. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to stay connected. Good appetite!